shoes, blame it on the throne. Got you in the zone, blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the. We back. What's going on, YouTube? What's popping? What's cracking? What's going on? YouTube family, be okay. What's going on? Hey, this is. Can y'all see me? No, these are. Why? I don't need. Why this box so big, man? Like, y'all just found the box in the back of the storage? Like, what's, like, look at this, though. Like, come on, man. Like, you can't see my background. It's so big. Like, that's crazy. Like, why? I feel like Jadakiss. Like, why? Like, what, you know, shit, what's going on? Anyways, yo, what's going on? We here. I'm pretty sure I put this in the thumbnail because I'm excited about these. Oh my God. This was probably the one shoe that I seen probably beginning of the year. There was some little leaks of the video of the shoes. I seen a couple people, you know, and I was like, I want them. I don't know. Y'all tell me. I don't know. Let's get into it. I don't want to waste your time. Who are you? Yeah, I don't want to waste your time. I really want to get into the shoe because I'm digging the shoe. Let's open this up. Let's see what's going on with this. I'm still trying to figure out why this box is so big. Like, what in the world? Like, what was they thinking? Like, yeah, let's sit on a box like he moving. Like, what the whole moving box, man. Like, what in the world? Like, shoot, send a deed with it too then. How about that? Shoot. Man, let's get into this, man. Oh, man, and open everything. Like, this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I don't even know if I pull these out and they open, I'm gonna be mad. Well, they open because I feel the shoe. Well, and the box, the shoe box toe up. See? This don't make no sense. I'm mad now. I'm highly pissed. I can't even get the shoe out. Look at this. It's all busted open. Well, ain't no surprise to that. Let's just get into the shoe. I don't know. Y'all, there you go. There you go. I ain't gonna. There you go. Bam, bam, bam. Y'all see what these is. This is the Crazy IIInfinity 2.5. This is Kobe. Damn. What y'all think about these? So I've been waiting on these. I promise you I've been waiting on these. These have been one of them shoes that I'm like, I need it. I wasn't down with the Kobe, what's that? The Pro model or the Pro series, the Crazy 8s. I didn't get the Crazy 8s. I had a million. Let's really remember Crazy 8s, right? They made 1 million pairs of them. When I say 1 million, they came in every color. Like, nobody really was rocking them. Amon Shumpert was rocking them because he had a deal with Adidas. But other than that, you didn't see nobody else with them. Like, they wasn't a highly sought after shoe. One, because it was like what Adidas do now, period. They just make a whole bunch of shoes, flood the market. I'm sorry, that's Nike. Well, that's Nike. Make a whole bunch of shoes in a different color, the same shoe in a bunch of different colors, and let's just flood the market. And then you start seeing stuff sitting on the shelf. Dunks, by the way, are we seeing dunks sit on the shelf? We definitely are. But enough of that. Let's talk about this shoe here. Bam, bam, bam. What you think of these? Now that you see them in person. You done seen them on camera. What you think about them in person?
Not my favorite.
What you don't like about the shoe?
It's a retro though, right?
Well, it's a retro from the here down. It's considered like the retro. I'll put the picture up here for y'all of the actual shoe. Or they just released the Space Trooper, I think it is, a Room Trooper, whatever. Crazy, what is this? Crazy IIInfinity. They just released that one. This is actually reminiscent of the one that didn't have the laces on it. The laces was hidden. Of the Crazy IIInfinity. Me personally, it's a big shoe. I wear a 12. It's a big shoe. I I don't know. We probably get some on feet with these because I definitely need to try these on. These boys look extra comfortable. Herringbone at the bottom. Y'all see it. The grip gonna be crazy in these. They say a basketball shoe, but me personally, I'm thinking real fear God here. I'm thinking real fear God. Didn't he jump over to Adidas? I wonder if he had any influence on these. I'm really thinking he has some influence on this. Because his shoe line with Adidas supposed to be dropping, if not this year, next year. So I'm really thinking he has some influences on this. This neoprene here got a little stretch to it. Got the zip on it. Bam. Not a lot of Adidas hits. You don't see Adidas on this a lot. You got it on the back. You got it on the front there. On the bottom. And you got a little yellow or goldish Adidas there in the middle here. Adidas is not my favorite go-to shoe. Just being honest, it's not. It's not. I'm just not an Adidas fan. Like, but these right here, from what I'm seeing from videos and stuff like that, these shoes really are comfortable. Like I said, we're gonna get some on feet with them. Just get. I really dig this. I really want this to stay down. Like, I really got a vision for when I'm rocking these. Like, let's see if we can get that flip down. Bam. Oh, okay. Yeah. Now we talking. Oh yeah. I think we'll rock them like that. We definitely gonna rock them like that. Sheesh. Show the little laces in there. Please tell me what y'all think about this shoe. Was this a shoe y'all was anticipating or ready or waiting to drop? Like I said before, they dropped the Stormtroopers and they're sitting everywhere now. They dropped the white pair and they dropped a yellow pair, like a goldish yellow pair. Like me personally, I don't know. Like, but you saying these not one of your favorite shoes? No.
They do look like they could be comfortable.
They got a lot of cushion in them. Yeah. It's a lot of cushion in them.
Especially if you are playing basketball or something to that.
Yeah. Like, I don't know. We'll see. We gonna see.
For people with wider feet, maybe a little more comfortable.
Yeah. I'm one of those wide feet gang. Man, look. Woo! You wouldn't believe how my feet be crying sometimes because I got a wide foot, and Jordans just ain't for wide people feet, man. Jordans just don't do it. Jordans do not do it if your feet is wide. They just don't. See, that loosen them up, get some flavor to them. Yeah, put some into it. Like I said, I got a whole vision for this shoe. These are not all cream. They got this here is, what's that, like a off-whitish or something like that. It's not all cream. You got the cream here and the cream there, and these kind of like give you that off-white vibe. And it got a little texture to it, so it's like a stucco feel to it. If y'all felt the stucco house, all my people in LA and all that stuff know what I'm talking about. The stucco feeling on the side of the building, you know. Yeah.
When were they released?
These just released, I want to say like a couple days ago. I want to say these released on the 26th or the 27th. So not a couple days ago, but probably about a week ago. 26, 27, took about 3 to 4 days. Adidas actually shipped really quick, which is crazy to me. I know they must be shipping Yeezys, all that stuff real quick, because they stuff come quicker than any other shoe I've ordered. Even when you order from sneakers, depending on what shoe it is, it's not coming that quick, like at all. Like it'll say a couple of days and it'll be there in a couple of days. Sometimes some stuff be overnighted. Like, they really ship quick. Like, anything I've ordered from Adidas really ship quick. And I only order I don't know, I don't really order from Adidas like that, but everything I've ordered from them, they really come quick. Like this, me personally, they say this is a basketball shoe.
It looks like it.
It looks like it. It was meant to be, but I think they leaning towards more everyday wear. Kind of same thing how they doing with the James Harden just dropped with these. I think they really leaning towards everyday wear. Kind of what Nike basketball was doing back in the day, where you could rock them with some jeans and whatever and still rock it going anywhere you going. So I think that's what they're trying to get to. And I think that's what some of their plan of bringing who you got, Bad Bunny, all these people and doing all these collabs with them, so they can kind of get into that everyday wear shoe. Like, nobody really thought about Adidas as an everyday wear shoe until you got Kanye over there. Now it's continue to be an everyday wear. It's not just a performance shoe. And that's when you thought about Adidas, that's what you thought about, a performance shoe. And I think they really went towards that. I think it got the cushion in it, and I think they gave you the look to where you can wear it every day. A lot of people saying they remind them of the Gary Paytons with this on it.
Yes.
I think it's a stretch. I think we saying that because of the zipper on it,
Yeah.
but I think it's a stretch because Gary Paytons went all the way down, and it has some stuff underneath it that reveals some stuff on it. This kind of don't have that.
Now, is it me, or do they kind of put you in the mind of the Yeezy, what are the slides, like the little sandal type looking ones? Like the bottom part kind of give you
It kind of give you that, but these was kind of out before that, so it can't. It kind of, you know, it kind of goes in between that. But me personally, I really think this is it's a big shoe. It's a look, it's a stumper. Trust me, it's a stumper. It don't have the weight of the stumper, which is crazy. It's not heavy. This is a light shoe. Like, it's a real light shoe. You can tell that they still left some of that Kobe aspect in it. But yeah, like, this is a very light shoe. I don't know. From what I'm hearing, it's supposed to be other colors dropping in this. We shall see. With Adidas trying to ship Yeezys out and get everything out, we might not get it for a while. I'm thinking probably, if not closer to end of November-ish, maybe December, somewhere up in there, you might start seeing different colors of this. Me personally, I would like an all black pair of this. Yeah, give me an all black with some I don't know. The all black I think would be really great. I'm tired of black and red. Jordan's really give me. I'm over black and red. I'm over black and red. I'm really over it. But yeah, you got a couple different hits on here. Just some different stuff. Some 3M hits in here, up in there and there. I don't know if y'all can see it or if it's gonna give you the 3M hits, but kind of up in there. Like I said, this is a dope shoe, man. I know I say that a lot about a lot of shoes that I bring to y'all and we talk about, but this is truly a dope shoe. If you get a chance, they run in, I think, 150. So not a bad shoe, not a bad price at all. I'd rather spend 150 on this shoe than 210 that I'm gonna be uncomfortable in. Like, it just makes more sense, especially when with the price of everything now. This makes more sense. With a shoe that costs 150 and it's gonna give you some stylish stuff, man. I think if you get you a Fear Guy outfit, the jogging pants, or however you want to do it with the hoodie, I think you could really set this off. I'm not a Fear Guy person. I don't really care for it. But just because I'm not a hype person, I don't care about hype, all that stuff. I buy what I like, and if I like it, I'm gonna buy it. So, but if this is a shoe you like, this is a shoe you want to cop. Adidas got small sizes still sitting on their website. Who else has them? I seen them on. I'm having a brain fart here. Not, of course, they sitting on eBay. But it was a site. Enclosed and Packer still have them. I'll put those links in the description as always of shoes of where I got mine and where you can still find these shoes. Like I said before, this was the Crazy IIInfinity 2.5. I'm not sure why they call it the 2.5. Maybe because you had the Infinity 1 with the laces completely gone. Then you had the one with the laces showing at the top. And then you had these. So, could have been in that range. So, it is what it is. I think they really went for a style of an everyday wear with this. I know I'm kind of long-winded y'all here, but that's okay. It's a dope shoe. I'm excited about this shoe. This was something I was really waiting on. And if y'all a Kobe fan, like I never was, then this would be a good shoe for you. I respect his legacy, just not real Kobe fan. Sorry, didn't do it for me. Got the jersey, but just not a real Kobe fan. Other than that, hey, do me a favor. Let your haters watch your past while you continue looking forward. Hey, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, you ain't gonna say it. No matter what,
find a way to get your blessings.
Find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.